Verbs related to rain. Pour, to rain heavily. Drip, to fall in small drops, often after the rain has stopped. Soak, to become thoroughly wet due to rain. Splash, to scatter water around, often by stepping in puddles. Spill, rainwater overflowing from gutters or containers. Splatter, rain hitting and scattering on surfaces. Trickle, rainwater flowing in small streams. Stream, rainwater flowing in larger amounts. Gush, water flowing out in large quantities, often due to heavy rain. Evaporate, water turning into vapor and rising, often after the rain stops.